pie toys! Hello my little pies, and today I have little sisters. I'm gonna get this one out of the ball, and the sisters Wave 2 Series 4 I Spy series. Okay, let's start this. I really want this one. It's an ultra rare. Where we have two ultra rares. I mean, no, one ultra rare, one rare. Let's see if I can get another one. It's gonna spread out everywhere. Oh, I ripped it again. I didn't even mean to. No. Oh, it's a sticker. I saved the sticker part. I try to see it because I couldn't read it. It's Future Star. Oh, it's a good sticker. I'll be amazed if we get a gold ball. Oh, it's a teal ball. I love teal. Yeah. Yes. And no more string cheese. Whew. Okay. Got it. Up. That was one chunk. Okay, I gotta open it with no help. And here, I got these really cute black and white shoes. They're like little pumps. You see those? Well, not pumps, but little high heels. Get the keychain right here. The box. I can feel it's a hat. It's not a bag. It feels like a hat. That was right. Oh, yep, it's one. It's either yin or yang. I love the hat. It's like a little beret, and it has both of the symbols. I think this one's yin. Let's check if I'm correct. She's the ultra rare one, but why does she have the teal ball? Okay, imagine if someone got a rare ball, and then inside they had the ultra rare one. I mean the regular one. If they had a gold ball, but inside that the regular one. Because what's wrong with these teal balls? Like, I'm happy we got the yin, that's ultra rare, but just I want a gold ball. I want to have the courage of symbolizing the gold ball. Okay, it's Lil Yin Baby. I'm so happy we got her because she's ultra rare. Okay, here, Lil Yang. She's also very cute. I love her too. She's so cute with the little pigtails. She's also very cute and just as cute as a Yang Baby. I don't see why it's, I think they should both be ultra rare. Don't you think? Because they're both so cute. Okay, so we have our hot water and our cold water. We got Lil Yin and Yang. Well, just Yang. It gets very confusing because you just call them both of them. Why is it really... Oh, I can't touch it because it's too hot. It's like steaming hot, but it's not steam. Okay, so here we have her with the white hair and her yin diaper. It's so cute. She only has one eyebrow. I just noticed that. One eyebrow right here and no other eyebrow. I think because it's covering it, but she has no eyebrow. She's missing one. She's a riptide. Let's see if she's at the cold so I can change her. No, I love heat changes, but it doesn't seem this one's a cold. The water is actually really cold too. It might have that excuse, but it's in the freezer. So it seems like this one is not a cold one, but this is a heat one. That is so cool. All we have to do is put it outside and stay for hours. These are already cute enough as the little sisters. I have no idea how the big sister's gonna look. A little too cute. They're coming cuter and cuter each season. I love her hat. It's so cute. I wonder what her other sister's gonna have. Anyways, bye bye my little pies. I'm cute and you know it.